gonna waste no blueberries.
You're so pretty, Mama. Tell Daddy hello. Say hello, Daddy.
Talk to your daddy in the camera. Tell him you're getting drunk on blueberries.
Yeah.
Bubba.
Don't give her no more, but wasn't sure enough. I think they are cousins, but like that.
Uh-oh, he dropped it.
Can I have some, Mama? I'm gonna get one.
Can I have my mail?
Can I get these blueberries?
Gabby, can I have one?
What are you doing? I think he needs to spank it. Come here. Come here.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
Can I have one, baby? Give me one, baby. Give me one. Thanks.